Hello, everybody. How are you? It's just over 2 weeks until my very first online course, Activate Your Awakening, which I'm sharing on Saturday, the 9th of December, from 4 p.m. till 10 p.m. So it'll work for you whichever time zone you're in, UK or US. Now, this is a really exciting course that I've never done before, and I cannot wait to share everything that I've learned about awakening your third eye, connecting to spirit, connecting to angels, working with healing energy, but bringing it into, really being able to find the wisdom and the guidance that is available to all of us. It's our birthright. We all have this amazing third eye center that our ancestors would have been incredibly well tuned into to help them live their lives. And we've kind of lost that ability. And what I really want to do on this day is inspire you all that you can. I know a lot of people think that they're just blank and nothing's happening for them spiritually, and they can't see, they can't hear, they can't connect. And I really want to try to help you to feel that that might not be the case, and it could just be that there's a lot of blockages in the way. Now, this whole workshop is being channeled by the guides and angels that I work with. It's been building up for a few months now, and it keeps changing, so I keep sort of slightly adjusting what is going to happen on the day. I think it will probably all just come about on the day. There's going to be loads of practical work in it, so it's not just going to be information. There will be, but there will be meditations, activations, there'll be a little bit of exercise, no movement, but some breath work, and some powerful third eye activation meditation at the end of the day, that my angels are actually going to come in and share the light with you to help to wake up that third eye center. So if you're interested in working for yourself, psychically, intuitively, awakening your sixth sense, if you're starting to feel that perhaps that is happening for you and you want to develop it further, or if you've been working with the Akashic Records, past lives, Reiki healing, anything where you just feel you want to take it another step and gain confidence in working with your third eye center as an intuitive and as a light worker, then this course is going to be great for you. I've been working with energy for 25 years now. I had my own personal spontaneous awakening. I was blessed with a spontaneous awakening in 1998 and started seeing angels in 2004. And life has just been one endless mystery and joy ever since. So I really hope to share some of this wisdom and knowledge with you on that day, and click the links below to book. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye, guys.